हेलो एवरीवन। आज हम पढ़ेंगे क्लास 9th पॉलिटिकल साइंस का चैप्टर वर्किंग ऑफ इंस्टीट्यूशन। इस वीडियो में हम क्वेश्चन आंसर्स को पढ़ेंगे। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं वीडियो को। वेरी शॉर्ट आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चंस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, नेम द 3 ऑर्गन्स ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट। आंसर एग्जीक्यूटिव, लेजिस्लेटिव एंड जुडिशरी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, who is the head of the state and the head of the government? Answer, the president is the head of the state, whereas the prime minister is the head of the government. Next question, what is a parliament? Name the two houses of the parliament. Answer, it is the supreme lawmaking body of India. It has two houses, Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha. Next question, what are institutions? Answer, the arrangements which are made in modern democracies to run the government. Next question, name any 3 institutions responsible to run the democratic government in India. Answer, the Prime Minister and the Cabinet, the civil servant, the Supreme Court. Next question, name the institutions where disputes between citizen and the government are finally settled. The Supreme Court. Next question, why democratic governments insist on institutions? Give 2 reasons. Answer, institutions involve rule and regulations. Institutions bind the hands of the rulers as these involve meetings, committees and routines. Next question, which house has more power regarding the money will? Give a reason. Answer, the Lok Sabha exercises more power in money matters. Once the Lok Sabha passes the budget of any other money related law, the Rajya Sabha cannot reject it. The Rajya Sabha can only delay it by 14 days or suggest changes in it. The Lok Sabha may or may not accept these changes. Next question, explain no confidence motion. Answer, only a person who enjoys the support of the majority of the members of the Lok Sabha is appointed as the Prime Minister. If a no confidence motion is moved in the Lok Sabha and passed, then the government has to resign. Next question, with reference to the Rajya Sabha, answer the following questions. Question number 1, what is its power relating to the money bill? Can it pass a no confidence motion? Answer, a money bill can originate only in Lok Sabha. When it is sent to Rajya Sabha, it cannot reject it. The Rajya Sabha can delay it for 14 days. No, Rajya Sabha cannot pass the no confidence motion. Next question, define executive. Answer, at different levels of any government, we find functionaries who take day-to-day decisions but do not exercise the supreme power on behalf of the people. All those functionaries are collectively known as the executive. Next question, who appoints the Prime Minister? Answer, the Prime Minister is appointed by the President. Next question, what is the tenure of the Prime Minister? Answer, the Prime Minister does not have a fixed tenure. Normally, a Prime Minister is elected for 5 years but remains in power till he enjoys the majority support. Next question, who are Cabinet Ministers? Answer, they are usually the top level leaders of the ruling party or parties who are in charge of the major ministries like defense, railway, foreign affairs, etc. Normally, all the major decisions are taken by these ministers. Next question, what is judiciary? Answer, all the courts at different levels in a country are called the judiciary. Next question, which is the highest court of India? Answer, the Supreme Court. Next question, The Constitution of India has made necessary provisions for ensuring independence of the judiciary. Justify your answer by giving two reasons. Answer: the judges are appointed by the executive on the basis of the prescribed qualifications and according to a well established procedure. The judges cannot be removed at the wishes of the executive. Next question: who appoints the Chief Justice of India and the other judges? Answer: the President of India appoints the Chief Justice of India. The President consults other judges of the Supreme Court and the High Court while making appointments of other judges. Next question: state any two powers of the Supreme Court of India. Answer: the Supreme Court acts as the guardian of fundamental rights. It acts as a guardian of the Constitution. Next question: what is the composition of Indian judiciary? Answer: the Supreme Court, the High Court, the District Court. Next question: the President of India is the highest formal authority in the dash. Answer: state. Next question: the Prime Minister is the one who actually exercises all governmental power and he is the head of the answer government. Next question: who exercise more powers in money matters? Answer: the Lok Sabha. Next question: on August 13, 1990, the Government of India issued an office memorandum for 27% reservation for socially and economically, educationally backward classes in answer: civil post or services under Government of India. Next question: an institution where disputes between citizens and the Government of India are finally settled is answer: the Supreme Court. Next question: in India, a National Assembly of elected representatives is called answer: Parliament. Next question: an assembly of elected representatives at the state level is called answer: Legislative Assembly or Legislature. Next question: the President of India is a part of the Parliament, although he/she is not a answer member of either houses. Next question: our Constitution gives the Rajya Sabha some special powers over answer: the states. Next question: in a democratic country like India, there are two types of executives. They are answer: political executive and permanent executive. Next question: name a government formed by an alliance of two or more political parties, usually when no single party enjoys majority support of the members in a legislature. Answer: coalition government. Next question: what is the full form of SEBC? Answer: socially and economically backward classes. Next question: who appoints the judges of the Supreme Court? Answer: the President on the advice of the Prime Minister and in consultation with the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court. Next question: who was the head of the Mandal Commission? Answer: B.R. Mandal. Next question: who is the most important institution in the country? Answer: the Prime Minister is the most important institution in the country. Next question: what is the Parliament? Answer: Parliament is the supreme law-making body of India. Next question: name the two houses of the Parliament. Answer: the two houses are Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Next question: who is the Supreme Commander of the Defence Forces of India? Answer: the President is the Supreme Commander of the Defence Forces of India. Next question: what is meant by office memorandum? Answer: a communication issued by an appropriate authority stating the policy or decision of the government. Next question: what is the role of the President of India? Answer. The president is the executive head of the state and is the highest formal authority in the country. Next question. What do you know about the Mandal Commission? Answer. Mandal Commission was asked to determine the criteria to identify the socially and educationally backward classes in India and recommend steps to be taken for their advancement. Next question. Who has the power to interpret the constitution of the country? Answer. The Supreme Court and the High Court have power to interpret the constitution of the country. Next question. Why does the political executive have more power than the permanent executive? Answer. It is because the political executive consists of the direct representatives of the people. Next question. Who were against Mandal Commission's recommendations? Answer. Some of the people felt that this commission's recommendations were quite unfair as it would deny equality of opportunity to those who did not belong to backward communities. They would be denied jobs even though they could be more qualified. Next question. What do you understand by an executive? Answer. At different levels of any government, we find functionaries who take day-to-day decisions but do not exercise supreme power on behalf of the people. All those functionaries are collectively known as the executive. Next question. What do you mean by judiciary? Answer. All the courts at different levels in a country put together are called the judiciary. Next question. What do you understand by public interest litigation? Answer. Anyone can approach the courts if the public interest is hurt by the actions of the government. This is called public interest litigation. Next question. Who are cabinet ministers? Answer. Cabinet ministers are usually top level leaders of the ruling party or parties who are in charge of the major ministries. Next question. What do you understand about the term political executive? The one that is elected by the people for a specific period is called political executive. Next question. What do you mean by permanent executive? Answer. Permanent executive members are appointed on a long-term basis. This category is also called civil service. What is judicial review? Answer. The Supreme Court and the High Courts can declare invalid any law or action of the legislature if they find such a law or action is against the Constitution. They can determine the constitutional validity of any legislation or action of the executive in the country when it is challenged before them. This is known as judicial review. आपको वीडियो कैसा लगा हमें कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताएं। साथ ही वीडियो को लाइक करना, शेयर करना और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें, जिससे आपके पास तक हमारे लेटेस्ट वीडियो के नोटिफिकेशन पहुंच सकें। धन्यवाद।